Hi, in this video we're going to take a look at the packaging between the iPhone 11 Pro and the iPhone 12 Pro. Now this year the packaging is smaller than last year, so let's first take a look to see how much smaller. I think it is just half the size of last year from iPhone 11. So you can see here iPhone 12, this is iPhone 12, this is 11 Pro and 12 Pro, and you can see it is half the size, look like almost half the size. And you can see this the side here, and down here at the bottom they both have the Apple logos up here on the side. If your phone is silver, it has a silver logo. If your phone is gold, it has a gold color, and even all the writings has a different color on it. So that's the back there, that's the packaging on the back. But what about what's on the inside? So let's take a look. This is the iPhone 11 Pro, and this is the 12 Pro, and you can see it has that film, clear film, and under the box here. So there's a small hole under the box. That's under the box, the top, and that's the phone right there. And this is the packaging for the 12 Pro. It's now a paper instead of that plastic film. And then this one, so if we take it out, if I put this one to the side, there is a paper packaging. So you got paper packaging, pin, two Apple logo stickers. And you got the hello and the pin. So that's last year, that's for the 11 Pro. And you get the earpods from last year. So you get the lightning earpods. And you got the charger cable. I couldn't put the charger cable back with the paper packaging. It's quite hard, so I just put it back in there. This is the charger, fast charger from the 11 Pro. So that's the fast charger right there. So that's the inside. And this year you get the same cable as last year, USB-C, 2 lightning, so exactly same cable with this one here. So it looks the same, but actually this is not a earpods, it's just a piece of paper with only one Apple logo. Even now with the Apple logo, they cut it down to just one logo, so you don't get two logo anymore, two stickers, only one sticker. And even the instruction is quite smaller now, so might as well not include this at all because no one reads this one. And yeah, that's it. So that's last year versus this year packaging. And that's it. Thanks for watching this video, guys. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.